It's time for Tech Time with Timmy.
Hello, welcome to Tech Time with Timmy. In this episode, Timmy's going to be talking about voice typing in Google Docs. So Google Docs is a really cool document writing service in the cloud made by Google, and so when you're typing a document in Google Docs, you might want to use voice typing instead. So rather than typing it with your keyboard, you just speak to your computer and it recognizes what you're saying and it types it out onto the page. And you can also do things like you can say full stop and it will type a full stop, or exclamation mark and it'll do an exclamation mark and stuff like that. And it's not always going to be perfect and flawless. There will be some times where it doesn't get it exactly right, but you will need to read over it and check. But if you don't feel like typing or you want to get it all typed really quickly, it can be a really handy feature. So in this episode, Timmy's going to show you all about that. So once you're in your Google Doc here on your computer, just go up to Tools in this menu here and click on Tools, and then go down to Voice Typing and click on Voice Typing. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control and Shift and S. Or you can just click here, and it comes up with this thing, and it says click to speak. So you can click on that microphone and it will start listening, and then whenever you want it to stop listening, you just click on the microphone again. So you can just click on the microphone and start speaking whenever you're ready. Tech Time with Timmy is really cool, and this is a really cool test. So once Timmy's clicked it again, it will stop listening, and you'll see it's typed it here. So you'll see it says check time with Timmy instead of tech time with Timmy, but you could just fix that. So you do have to read over it and fix some things with your keyboard, but then once you've done that, it's really cool. And you can just add the full stop if you want, like you could just press it on your keyboard and it will be done that way, or you can actually speak to it. So if we click on the microphone again, full stop. And as you can see, it put a full stop there. So sometimes it doesn't get it quite right. Sometimes it will actually type out full stop, which can be a bit annoying, but most of the time it actually puts a full stop. And so that's really cool. And so there are other things you can do with it as well, not just full stops. Enter. And so now it's entered. Timmy is cool. Exclamation mark. Enter. Is Timmy cool? Question mark. So you can see it works quite well, and if there's anything that you wanted to change slightly, you can just go in and do that with your keyboard and mouse, so you can edit it all normally. And with this little thing, you can drag it to anywhere you want in the screen, so that's really cool, and you can close it if you're not going to be speaking anymore. And you can also click on here and choose from any language you want if you wanted to speak in a different language. So that's a really cool way to avoid typing, and that's really all there is to it, and that'll be the end of this episode of Tech Time with Timmy.